To week four. Hope you're enjoying Michelle Roberts' book, Taste of the Divine, and the comparative theology discussion we could have this past week. For week four, we're going to shift gears, as you know, to talk about another aspect of Roberts' work, the fact that she is a woman who is writing this theology. Um, Roberts is interesting because she does combine some concerns from a feminist background, as in feminist theology and advancing that position, but she's not reducible to that. Right? She's not merely doing feminist theology. She's also doing other very creative things that you wouldn't categorize that way. And so this is really fortuitous for us because one thing I want to emphasize for this week that we come to grips with is not just women in theology in terms of women issues in theology. So there is a strong tradition of women theologians who write and do theology talking about issues of or gender and especially the oppression of women. And you find these like feminist theology, mujerista theology, womanist theology, and they're very important. But what I want to emphasize is that's not only the way that women are important in theology. Women also have strong and important voices in aspects which are not explicitly about feminist concerns, such as Eleanor Stump, who is a amazing scholar of Thomas Aquinas, Jean Porter, another Aquinas scholar, and Merritt Roberts herself. And the person we see the video, Sarah Coakley, who is one of the most important systematic theologians working today. So the goal for this week is to help us think about how do we read the voices of women in theology well, with a sense of justice for the historical oppression and concerns that women have had, both outside the academic environment and also within. And also, how do we just honor, respect, and dialogue with the voice of women in theology, which are not historically the majority voices in the Christian theological tradition. I've come to appreciate that, to honor it, and dialogue well with these voices. So that's kind of the major goals for this week. I hope you enjoy reading Robert some more and dealing them with the videos and things in the Blackboard site. Let me know if you have any questions as usual, and we'll see you in week 5.